In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the orientation of a single page to make just one-page landscape in Microsoft Word. This is really useful when you're working on a document that's mostly in portrait, but you have one page that needs extra horizontal space, like a wide table, a chart, or a large image. Instead of turning the whole document sideways, you can change the orientation for only that specific page. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and scroll to the page you want to make landscape. Now, this part is important. You're going to place your cursor at the very beginning of that page, right before the first character or object on that page. If the page is blank, just click at the top where you would normally start typing. Next, we need to create a section break. This tells Word that what happens to this page's layout should be treated separately from the pages before it. Go to the Layout tab, or in some versions, it might be called Page Layout. Look for the Breaks option and click it. Under Section Breaks, choose Next Page. You might not see anything obvious change, but you've just separated this page into its own section. Now, we also have to separate the page after it, so the landscape orientation doesn't continue onto following pages. Scroll to the end of the page you want in landscape, and click just after the last character or object on that page. Again, go back to Layout, then Breaks, and choose Next Page under Section Breaks. You've now isolated that one page as its own section between two breaks. With your cursor still somewhere on the page, you want to turn landscape. Stay on the Layout tab and find the Orientation button. Click Orientation, and then select Landscape. Because you added section breaks, Word should only apply this orientation to the section you're currently in, which is that single page. The pages before and after should remain in portrait. Take a moment to scroll through your document and double-check that only that one page is landscape. If more than one page changed, it usually means a section break is in the wrong place or missing, so you can undo and try setting the breaks again. That's all there is to it. By using section breaks and changing the orientation within that section, you can keep your document tidy, readable, and formatted exactly the way you need.